Recently we went for a drive out in the bush to a town called Noojee. It's a great place to get away from it all. It was originally an old sawmilling town and therefore has a lot of history. If you have the time to check it all out, it's well worth discovering. While we were there, we stopped off at the Outpost Country Retreat for a meal. This place has a great atmosphere, with lots of old timber town memorabilia and a great rustic feel. On a cold day, that big open fire is just wonderful. We had a family event here, and with my recent reviews of various Caesar salad offerings, I thought I'd give a pub version a go and see how it compared. It was just great, with crispy bacon and tender chicken, and the egg done just how I like it. The lettuce was fresh with an accompanying crunch. The shaved parmesan and mustard-based dressing over those croutons all made for a very tasty meal. If you're ever up this way and want to check out something different, yum, check out the Outpost Country Retreat in Noojee. Cheers guys, I'll see you soon. Now I'm angry! Wow. It's huge.